Number 1. The 1958 Edsel Ranger, priced at $9,500, located in Darlington, Washington. This is one of the most intriguing classic cars, ideal for vintage car enthusiasts looking to showcase a unique style. Its condition is excellent, with a smooth body and tidy interior, making it perfect as a Saturday night cruiser. The original 361 V8 engine has been replaced with a 394-barrel engine, but it retains its original appearance, complete with all components, brackets, and Edsel signature paint, making it hard to distinguish without checking the casting numbers. The car is also equipped with dual Flowmaster exhausts, offering a distinct, characterful sound, as well as 16 inches torque thrust wheels that add a sporty touch. The exterior color and detailing perfectly capture the 1950s style, making it stand out on the road or at classic car shows. This car leans more toward an American graffiti vibe than purist restoration, offering the ideal blend of modern performance and classic style at an affordable price. This car is a worthwhile investment for collectors. Number 2. The 1964 Buick Skylark, priced at $10,750, located in New Rochelle, New York. This is a captivating classic car, featuring a powerful 400 F5 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, supported by an aluminum radiator for optimal performance. The engine has undergone thorough servicing, with new belts, hoses, and fluids updated. The car is equipped with new Yokohama tires and new rear brake linings, ensuring reliable braking performance. The paint job was completed in 1988, but there are some rust bubbles on the lower fenders and around the rear wheel openings. The passenger door requires refinishing to improve its appearance. The frame, floor, and trunk are reported to be solid and rust-free, which adds significant value. Its clean interior exudes a classic vibe, making it an ideal choice for vintage car enthusiasts. This car is a comfortable cruiser at an affordable price. Despite minor body imperfections, the seller only entertains serious offers, with no lowballing. Number 3. The 1968 Chevrolet Impala Fastback, priced at $11,000, located in Spokane, Washington. This car is in semi-restored condition, with numerous new components and high performance. A new Chevy 350 engine, with only 220 miles on it, is paired with a rebuilt turbo 400 transmission, ensuring maximum performance. The car comes equipped with new BF radial TA tires, racing bucket seats, a Mr. Gasket floor shifter, and a 3 inches exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers and functional cutouts, video available. The seller also includes a cowl hood, car cover, disc brake conversion kit, and an extra left fender. However, the body has some rust and a cracked windshield that need attention to make the car show ready. At an affordable price, this vehicle is highly appealing to classic car enthusiasts looking for a restoration project. Number 4. The 1964 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $8,000, located in Billings, Missouri. This is a highly solid and original classic vehicle, ideal for collectors or classic car enthusiasts. Powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine, it comes equipped with automatic transmission, air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and rally wheels that enhance its appearance. The interior is in excellent condition, reflecting meticulous care in the vehicle's authenticity. The exterior still has its original paint, with a few light spots, minor scratches, and light wear, but remains rust-free, adding to its originality. The car also includes complete documentation as proof of its history. The engine and overall performance are in great condition, ready for immediate use. With its competitive price, this vehicle is a perfect choice for buyers seeking a well-preserved classic car in original condition. Number 5. The 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 XL, priced at $10,000, located in Newcastle, Wyoming. Overall, the car is in reasonably good condition. It runs well with new brakes and a new radiator. The original 352 engine has been replaced with a larger 390 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, making it very comfortable for cruising. The exterior is smooth and rust-free, though recently damaged by hail, resulting in a cracked windshield. The interior is reasonably well maintained, with some wear on the seats and door panels. At the listed price, this car is an attractive option compared to similar units, often found in non-running or rusted condition. The owner is open to negotiation, trade, or shipping arrangements and has a relaxed, open communication style. Number 6. The 1963 Dodge Dart Wagon, priced at $6,000, located in Granite Falls, Washington. This car is in fairly good condition for its age and increasingly rare in the market. It remains drivable, with all features, including the factory radio, in working order. The floor is solid and rust-free, though rust is present near the rear wheels, which is reparable. The exterior retains its original red paint with a classic style, while the interior shows signs of wear, such as cracked leather seats, though they remain functional. The engine is well maintained, albeit not entirely free from dust or stains. The car comes with additional spare parts, including a hood, grille, tailgate, carpet kit, new radiator, and brake booster. However, the brake booster is leaking, so the car needs towing for transport. At an affordable price, this car is an appealing option for classic car collectors seeking a light restoration project or a historically valuable vehicle. Number 7. The 1965 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $7,850, located in Springboro, Ohio. With an odometer reading of 49,900 miles, this car is in good running condition, with all features functioning perfectly. The engine and overall performance are described as smooth, with recent updates, including new brakes, an upgraded fuel system, new tires, and a full tune-up. The interior retains its classic vibe, featuring clean and tidy blue vinyl seats. The blue 6-cylinder engine looks fresh after maintenance. The exterior sports a light blue color, with some bodywork done in the late 1980s or 1990s. While not a show car, it remains attention-grabbing and offers a delightful driving experience. This vehicle is ideal for classic car enthusiasts on a budget. Number 8. The 1973 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $16,000, located in Newkirk, Oklahoma. With an original odometer reading of 108,000 miles, powered by a 400 F5 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, this car features premium options such as AC, currently missing the drive belt, power windows and locks, both functional, cruise control, and an 8-track player. The interior is in decent condition, though there is a tear in the stitching of the front seat. The car retains its original paint, which shows some cracking, along with rust bubbles under the vinyl roof near the rear window, and minor rust on the lower rear fenders, hidden by the skirts. The chrome and trim remain in excellent condition, and the car has nearly new tires. Recent updates include a new master brake cylinder and a power steering pump. The seller includes Protecto plates to verify the vehicle's authenticity and is open to offers. They are also willing to trade for other classic cars or trucks or an enclosed car trailer, minimum 24 feet, or tilt trailer, 20 feet or more. Number 9. The 1968 Chevrolet C10, priced at $8,000, located in Salem, Oregon. This truck is in running condition and features a new inline-6 engine from O'Reilly's, free from mechanical issues, along with a new exhaust system. The body is straight, solid, and rust-free, though the paint is not original. The interior is fairly well maintained, but the front bench seat requires additional repairs. Electrical work needs attention, especially reconnecting the rear brake lights and fixing a new alternator that is not functioning properly, despite still being under warranty. The truck bed features a sturdy wooden floor, and the overall structure is solid with no significant damage. While it can be driven as is, some additional electrical and interior repairs are needed to bring it to perfect condition. This truck is a great option for classic truck enthusiasts, whether for immediate use or as a light restoration project. Number 10. The 1973 Dodge Coronet Wagon, priced at $7,000, located in Springfield, Missouri. Powered by a 318 V8 engine with an automatic transmission, this vehicle runs and drives well, making it a solid and reliable choice. It maintains its natural patina, showcasing the authentic wear of a classic car. This car isn't a showpiece, but serves better as a unique daily driver that's rare to find on the road. The condition is honest, with some minor repairs needed, such as patching rust in the spare tire well and replacing the cracked windshield. The interior is simple yet functional, with covered seats. This wagon is relatively rare, especially in running condition. The price is negotiable, and the seller is open to trade, particularly for a suitable dual pickup truck. Number 11. The 1973 Ford Mustang, priced at $7,500, located in Redmond, Washington. Equipped with a 250 SID i6 engine and a 4-speed top-loader manual transmission, this car is mechanically solid, runs well, and has a functional braking system. While not flawless, the exterior is very attractive from a distance, featuring a rust-free body, restored down to bare metal, new flooring, and a fresh paint job completed in 2023. Many components have been replaced or upgraded in recent years. However, the interior still needs some cosmetic improvements to achieve perfection. The car is sold with a clean title and a firm price, with trade options available for other classic cars, JDM vehicles, or four-wheel drive vehicles. This Mustang is ideal for an owner looking for a classic car ready to drive without major mechanical issues. Number 12. The 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $6,000, located in Tacoma, Washington. This car has an attractive dark blue exterior with well-maintained chrome accents. However, there are some flaws, such as bubbling paint in certain areas and a crack on the passenger side roof caused by subpar bodywork. The interior is in excellent condition, featuring clean seats and panels, along with a modern Bluetooth stereo discreetly hidden in the glove box. The engine is strong and benefits from recent repairs, including a rebuilt power steering system and newly serviced brakes. However, the transmission has issues, occasionally slipping under aggressive driving and having difficulty shifting into reverse. The trunk has a minor leak but comes with new gaskets and sealant. There is also an unresolved battery drain issue, mitigated by a battery disconnect switch. Accessories like original hubcaps, manuals, and a new waterproof cover are included. The car is drivable but would benefit from additional repairs in some areas. Number 13. The 1974 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $6,500, located in Moore, Oklahoma. This car features a recently installed Crate 350 engine with 25,000 miles, making it a promising restoration project. It's a two-door coupe with an automatic transmission and has undergone some upgrades, including new floor pans and seats. While the speedometer shows 48,000 miles, the car still requires significant work to reach its full potential. A trunk full of new OEM parts is included to assist the new owner in completing the restoration. The car is drivable but not yet in optimal condition. The sale is cash only, with no trades or financing, making it an excellent choice for classic car enthusiasts looking for a project. Number 14. The 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $6,500, located in Wichita, Kansas. This car requires restoration, particularly in the interior, fuel tank, and both the trunk and front passenger floor, which have been removed for repairs. The rear window has been taken out, but the seller includes new front and rear glass. The original interior is reportedly in good and complete condition. The car features a floor-shift automatic transmission, while the engine appears intact. The wiring needs attention. The car was last driven in 2022 before the restoration process began. The exterior, painted black, is in decent shape with minor signs of wear, particularly around the rear window frame. The asking price is negotiable, making it a viable option for someone looking to restore this classic muscle car. Number 15. The 1964 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $1,750, located in South Dakota. Equipped with a 200 inline-six engine, the car holds a salvage title but has no registration issues. This Falcon is a project vehicle requiring various repairs. The two rear doors are non-functional due to broken hinges. Its fuel system temporarily uses a vented marine gas tank located in the trunk. The interior shows signs of age, though it features red upholstered seats. Rust is present in several areas, particularly in the trunk. Additional parts included in the sale are headliner bows, an improved rear bumper, and a new carburetor that has not yet been installed. The seller recommends transporting the car via trailer, as it's currently suitable only for short trips. This car is ideal for classic car enthusiasts seeking a restoration project.
Check out my other videos and click the subscribe button below. Thanks, dude.